Image Paodam yang tabiri ba khwai punama po taram nok chabaga loinana khurumjari masigi maroi pauda Sustainable Development and the Northeast India in the Global Era haibasida International Conference pangthokre Central GST Baban hangdokre loinana Mumbai da building ama maina chakpada mioi taramari sire tarani thoina aso open nangkre mapungoi ba pawmu pizari Sustainable Development and the Northeast India in the Global Era haiba hiramasida International Conference among asidagi Hotel Imphal gi Sangai Conference Hall da Education, Labor and Employment Minister Thokjom Radishyamna athoiba meeting oiduna haudokre Haying fawbada sathagadoriba International Conference asi Federation of Government College Teachers Association Manipur PEGOCTA na DM College of Arts GP Women's College amadi Institute of Bioresources and Sustainable Development Imphal Pullaga Sinbani Masigi Thoramda Institute of Bioresources and Sustainable Development Imphal gi Director Professor Dinabandhu Sahu DM College of Arts Imphal gi Principal Sarangajit Kundrakpam GP Women's College Imphal gi Principal Dr. B. Lalhari Sharma Amadi Fegokta gi President Dr. Angom Pishakna Thoidokpa Mithung Singh Oike International Conference asigi Organizing Committee gi Chairperson Dr. C.H. Silaramanina Thoromapu Oike Athoiba meeting gi warolda Minister T.S. Radishyamna haiki
If we are going to have a conflict with nature, if we are going to deprive the nature, if we are not going to share our prosperity with the nature, if we are going to make the nature vulnerable, then no development activity is going to be sustainable. Now, three things are very important: past, present, and future. We learn from the past, we apply at present, and we keep it for the future. So why we are talking about sustainability? Because we love our future generation.
Congress ki luchingba hanagi Mukhyamantri Oibo Visingana Haikre Imphal International Airport Mamangi Sarkarna Bir Tikendrajit ki Ming Thonana ba Honarambane Bharat Sarkarna su Yabaga Loinana Manipur Vidhan Sabha gi Ayab Lokre Anoba Sarkar asina sumiyeng Changbio Wafam asi Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee na sinduna Congress Baban da pangthokhiba Bir Tikendrajit ki Chamaga Humfumathoi Suba Mapok Kumon Thoramda Saruk Yaraduna Ibobina Phongdokhibani Ibobina Makha Taraduna British ki Mayokta Lanthengna khiba Bir Tikendrajit ki Mapok Kumon Ningsing Thoram Congress na sinduna Bharat ki Mafam Kayada Pangthokhi Mahakumba Maraibak Ningba Mioyama Poklamba si Khwaidagi Chauthokchiningai ni haiki Thoramaduda MPCC ki President Tian Hawkip Dalgi MLA Singamadi Karmi Kyana Saryaki Dalgi Lusingba Singaloinana Bir Tikendrajit ki photo da Hekat Laikat Tamduna Ikai Khumnaki Officer of the Commissioner Central GST Commissionerate Imphal Manipur Central GST Baban Namangasi Hangdokre Ngasi ki Commissioner ki Office Hangdokpagi Thoramaduda Central GST and Customs NER Silongi Chief Commissioner WL Hangsitna Chief Guest Manipur Government ki Principal Secretary Finance Vivek Kumar Dewangan IAS na Guest of Honor Amadi Central GST Imphal ki Commissioner Gaigoding Pamay IRS na host oiki Thoramaduda Wangang Laduna WL Hangsitna Haiki
There's a lot of expectation from the department, and Delhi is anxious about the Northeast because Northeast has hardly been a participant in the tax process in the whole country. Most of the area has been exempted from income tax. None of us knew what was a tax, in fact, because indirect tax was an invisible tax. All the state government taxes, sales tax, whatever taxes you have, and the central government taxes have now been subsumed in one tax, GST.
Thamoi songningai oiba pauda ngasi ayuk pung 4 minute tara rom chatpada ghari da leiba extra X school da class 11 tamliba mahiroi ama school bus tagi taraba matungda maningda lakpa Maruti van amana takpadagi laikanaba ngamdana khudakta laikhidraba mahiroi adudi ningthaujam Lanchienba Chahi Tarataret Apopa Devan Kashamthong Elangbam Lekai Thodosi School gi route number 2 da Tonglaga Lakpagi Chakel Lekai Mapa Europada Bastagi Kangoda Nataki Bada Maning the Lakpa Bena Manata Kaibadagi Kodong Tiba Todo Adu Nankibani Lekidraba Sigi Hakjang Rimster Post Mortem Toroba Matunda Imumanunda Kusina Craig Lekidraba Mahiroigi Apopi Mamana Fondoropada Mahaki Macha School Sigi Toperni Mahak Bas Aduda Punna Tominarakiba Mahiroi Singna Machabu Intakiba Oigani Basta Tonglakiba Mahiroi Punna Paraga Wahang Pahang Satagadabani Haiki Manipur Lenga ki Education Minister Thoksom Radishyamna haikre Manipur Lenga ki makhada leiriba school singda ojasu oiraga atopa department da thabak tawba yauragadi yamna thuna topiro hiramasi ki matangda department na thijinba haure wafam asingasi Imphal gi Babupara da leiba SSA project office da pangthokpa media interaction program da Minister TH Radishyamna phongdorakibani Minister na makha takibada Manipur gi ching amadi tamda leiba school singi awarapa sing yengsinduna awatpa sing Menkatpa Haure, Tamgi Oinadi, Survey Toba, Loire, Adobo, Chingi Tabak Singi, Lambi Tongi, Pibam Patabana, Maramoraga, Survey Toba, Loidre, Ozasingi Quality, Matanga, Paladuna, Minister Nahaiki, School Ayamba, Hana, Private Ki, Mio Singa, Chalairam Badagi, Lengana, Amulok Silapamatamda, Kudongsa, Bakaya, Mayoknari, Lengana, Loxilapomatamda, Hana Gyoza Singadu, qualified, Oramdaba, Mayam Tengnare, Asigumba Mayam Mamadi, Lengaki School, Lising Manga, Si, Pagat Nabahonari Haiki.
The Education Department Kara over Uzerese, Masi Mayam Sigum Mayam is a popular Maruena media Kamuna. Aquina Masi Ozana Tabak Ani or Lemaka, Doctor Tamam Agriculture Tamanamba, Hosiko Sixuina, a build of the true Aqua Mediaki Kutana, a build of the Rese. We have information. A higher secondary lecturer crowd. Private ki B.Ed. M.Ed. college da thabak tawuri habi pau khara so koi phangi aduna makoi dai koi na appeal tawjere se akoi hoji in the process of catching them.
Chandel District ki Manong Chanba Kapam Komla Thabi da leiba Union Model High School Kapam gi chahi Yankai Surakpagi Golden Jubilee Celebration ngasi Kapam Village Public Ground da pangthokre thoromaduda Kapam Village ki Chief Chairman Royal Jinda Singh Moyonna Chief Guest Union Model High School ki Governing Body ki Chairman N.G. Nelson Moyonna President Oibaga Loinana School Lasigi Linkatpada Choba Thodang Laurakhibi Kayana Guest of Honor Sing Oina Saruyaki Masigi Thoramda Chief Guest Oiriba Royal Jinda Singh na Golden Jubilee Celebration ki Ningsing Nung Maikum Hangdoki School Lasigi Governing Body ki Hanba Secretary Lekhidraba N.G. Pamdil ki Loina B.R. Jortunna Thoranga Mari Lainana souvenir release Tauki Amadi Governing Body ki Hanba Vice Chairman C.H. Konjengi Loina B. Lakshinu R. Lidiana Jubilee Balloon Pahenki Masigi Thoramda Union Model High School Lasibu Linkatnaba Amadi Chaukhanaba Honabada Choba Thodang Laurakiba Mioy Kayada Certificate of Recognition Amadi Sol Biduna Ikai Konaki School Lasigi Ojasing Dasu Alumni Association na Momento Kudol Damki Loinana Mahiroi Sing Nasu Makal Matelgi Thoram Kaya Lantoki Hai Ngarang Namidang Masakhangdaba Kulai Paiba Singna Sapar Mainadagi Truck MN01 Z7278 ki driver adikho kowa ma fakhibaga mari leinana ngasi ayuk miyamna saparpaina lambi thinglure driver adikho tek the kaitana ngasi ayuk kangpopi dagi rescue tawroba matungda kangpopi police station da thamkhre mahal thadoropadagi pau tabadagi miyamna lambi thingbagi khongjang adu handokre hairi mahana kanana fabano haibadudi chapchana khangmangamdri look amatanasu claim tawropa lectri hairi Sky Group of Hospital na Manipur Heart Foundation Amadi International Medical Store IMS ka kusam naraga sinduna nongmayoiba free heart camp ama ngasi International Medical Store Kakching Bazar da pangthokre camp adu Sky Hospital and Research Center gi Associate Consultant in Clinical Cardiology Dr. Babes Telera MBBS Diploma Cardiology FCR na luchinki ngasigi camp adu da ECG blood sugar test BP check na chingbasu tawki Numinini ki khongchatta ngarang thunglakiba Chief of Army Staff General Bipin Rawat SM ABSM YSM CM VSM ADC na IGR South visit tawkre mahaki Khongchat aduda General Officer Commanding in Chief Eastern Army Command Lieutenant General Abe Krishna amadi General Officer Commanding Spears Corps Lieutenant General Anil Chauhansu Saryaki. Manipur College Kakching ki Principal Y Mangoljao Singh, Chemistry Department of Assistant Professor M Kunjakishore Singh amasung Grade 4 oina thabak tauramba M Koklei Singh na thabak taubagi matam loiraduna thabaktagi pothakhibada Manipur College Staff Welfare Association Kakching na kaina bidai pikre makoi ahongi farewell function ama ngasi college asigi conference hall da pangchokre tauramatu da thabaktagi pothakraba oja ahum asida achamba khudol pot pidunai kai khunaki Ing Soglising Amaga Chamapal Humudra Mapaldegi Directorate of Information and Public Relations DIPR Government of Manipur da Chogidar oina thabak torokiba Raymond Chatlibatha sigi tang kuntra matoida thabaktagi pothabagi matam oibadagi ngasi DIPR da pangthokiba achamba thoramama da DIPR Employees Association na Raymond Bu Farewell Pikre ngasi Raymond Bu Farewell Pibagi thoramadu da Director IPR Megachandra Kongbram, Deputy Director Administration, IPR, Chongtham Noyon Singh, News Editor, AIR, Infal, Dr. A. Ibomcha Sharma Amadi, IPR Department Asigi Officer Singh Amasung Staff Singh Saryaki. Department Ki Makaidagi Director IPR, Megachandra Kongbram na Mahagna Toramba Tabak Adugidamak, Chamchamba Kudol Tamduna Ikai Kunaba Utki. Manipur Ge Kungangi Lambi Miamga Hena Afobamari Pagadhanabagi Satarakpa Thorangama Waina 29 Assam Rifles na IGR South Ki Meeting Makada Chandel District Ki Jopi Bilesta New Year Cultural Program ama Sinduna Pangchokre Thoromadu da Kunja Chahum Lomna Saryaki Kunja Singna Makoigi Nat Ki Jagoi Singh Udki Loinana Assam Rifles Ki Maikaidagi Career Counseling Seminar Amasu Pangchoki Amadi Thoromadu da Saryaki ba Naha Singda Army da amadi Assam Rifles ki khananabagi matang da su sandongna khangan ki sana khona bagi thoram su pangchoktuna makong mathang taraba singda mana mathum su yenthokki Mumbai gi Lower Parel da leiba Kamla Mills compound da building ama maine chauna chakpadagi thodokta yamdrabada mioi taramari sire tarani thoina asopan nangkre fire tender amadi water tanker kaya changsinduna mai adu muthatkre additional CPS Jay Kumar na haikibada IPC ki section chawum sumna mari gi makada building adugi mapu gi mathakta FIR ma register tawre numidangi pung tarani thoi makhairom tarakpada mai adu Dalal adugi taruk suba matolda horakibani madudagi yamnatuna mathang sandoraki Central Mumbai da leiba dalal aduda media houses Mirror Now, ET Now amasung Zoom gi office singsu lei President Ramnath Kovind na leikidraba singi mafamda awaba phongdokre Prime Minister Manmohan Singh nasu awaba phongdoki Maharashtra Chief Minister nasu mai chakpagi thodokta leikidraba singi mafamda awaba phongdokre BMC Commissioner na mafamadu da chatuna yengsin kre thodo aduda maral leramba sing lemna khak tharoi haina mahana phongdoki Amaromda ngarang numidang athengbada New York da leiba building amagi apartment ama maina tumna chakre thodo aduda angang ama yauna mioi tarani thoi sikre Mayor Vilde Blasiona haikibada asopa singi manungda mioi mari gidi fiwam luri mai adu chakpa horakibagi asengba maram khangba ngamdri First floor dagi third floor da mai adu sandorokibani hari chahi taragi manungda khwaidagi sathina chakiba maini haiki Railway Minister Piyush Goyal na Rajya Sabha da haikre Modi government lerakpadagi haukiba chahi ahum asida lebaga sida thamliba mi yaudaba crossing level singi masing yamna hantare miyamna makada na haikibada passenger singi security gi wafumda akanba midyeng thamduna thabak lokatli mi yamna chinba mafamda Famba unnamed crossing sing Loktolagani Haiki. Kabulda ngarang terror attack chathagiba adu pangdabagi thawongni haina Indiana haikibaga loinena thawdo adubu kanna yaningdaba phongdokre Afghanistan na thengnariba khudong chadaba singi damakta Indiana lebli amadi terrorism thengnanaba pangba yaba mateng pangani haiki Afghan capital Kabulda leiba cultural center amada ngarang suicide bombing chathaduna Mioi nifu matoi hatkibani atai marifu maribuna sokanki attack adu Islamic State militant group na chathakibani haina claim torkre Afghanistan ki President Ashraf Ghani na attack adu bukanna yaningdaba phongdokpaga loinana thodo adugi matangda thijinnaba order ama thokre ꯑꯔꯣꯏꯕꯗ ꯃꯔꯨꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯄꯥꯎ ꯑꯃ ꯍꯟꯅ ꯄꯤꯖꯔꯤ Sustainable Development and the Northeast India in the Global Era haibasida International Conference pangthokre Central GST Bhavan hangdokre loinana Mumbai da building ama maina chakpada mioi taramari sire tarani thoina aso open nangkre masigi di image paudam loisinjari myam bomu hanna khurumjari